Google Slides has some incredible features to make your teaching easier. Whether you're teaching online, hybrid, or in person, you can use this product to teach in a variety of ways. Today I'm going to show you some basics for getting started, including using templates, the insert feature, and accessing Pear Deck. To get started, you need to get to the Google Apps. You can click on the Google Apps icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen if you're on google.com. There's other ways to get there too. In the browser, all you have to do is type in Google Slides, and it's the first site that pops up. You can also go to google.com/slides. Once you get to Google Slides, various presentations that you've already done are easily available to you to go back to, and presentations that are shared with you. You can also start a new blank presentation or choose from the template gallery. There's a variety of templates available for free for you to use. Another website where you can go to get free templates is Slides Carnival. If you go to slidescarnival.com, there's a bunch of different templates that you can use. The neat thing is not only are these templates free for you to use, but they all come with icons, so you can easily customize it to make it your own. That's Slides Carnival, which is also how I made this slide. Once you have decided on a template, or if you're going to start from scratch, all you have to do is click it. So I'm just going to click on the science project. You have the ability to completely make this your own. You can change the theme color by clicking on theme, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones available. You can change the font. See, changing this theme actually changed my font already. And then I can click and start changing the title or anything else I want to change. The neat thing about using a template is it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it for you. The design is already done. All you have to do is add the information that you want or change things to make it fit you and your personality or your classroom. You also have the insert feature. So to show you the insert feature, I'm actually going to start over with a new blank slide. So I'm going to click on my Google icons, go down to slides. I'm going to start a blank slide. So one thing I can do is click insert, new slide. And if you look on the insert feature, there's always shortcuts that you can use on your keyboard to make this a little easier for you. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to hit the delete key on my keyboard to get rid of it because I want a completely blank slide to show you some of the things I can do with the insert feature. If you click on insert, you can insert images. You have the option of going to your Google Drive, Google Photos. You can search the web. There's a bunch of different options for adding images. Same thing with your text box, videos, and audio. And with video and audio, especially audio, it's a lot easier to add it using Pear Deck, and I'm going to show you a little bit about that as well. There's also the ability to add shapes, tables, charts, word art, anything that you want. Another great feature is the comment. If a student presents work, and it's not just with Google Slides, it's with any of the Google products, Google Docs, any of them, you click comment and you can leave a comment. You can even make it to a specific student by typing at and then typing in the email of that student. So if you want to do that, the student is able to see that, hey, they need to fix this, or hey, you think this looks awesome. Whatever it is that you want to say, the comment section is really a great way to go about giving feedback. If you go to add-ons, this is where you go to get Pear Deck. So I have already installed the Pear Deck. I'm going to click on Open Pear Deck Add-on. And this makes it really easy for me to add audio to the slide and for me to also add text and choice and number, different types of questions for my students to answer. Now, one of the things to be careful about is if you have done it, you still have to actually go to Pear Deck in order to share the Pear Deck presentation of your Google Slides for these features to work. So if you just share your Google Slide, you're not going to have those features working. You actually have to go to Pear Deck to get those features working. So I'm going to show you how to. So if you go to peardeck.com and you get logged in, this is how you're going to share. So if you look, present a file from Drive, this is how you can share and make sure that your students are able to use those awesome features from Pear Deck. And the way you're going to do that is if you click on it, you can either start a live session. So if you're teaching remotely or in person and you want your students to work on it with you, you have that option. Or with Student Pace, they can work on it whenever they want. And then you can click and you can easily share it to your Google Classroom, copy the link, whatever it is you need to do, and that way students have access to anything that you've added using Pear Deck.